It's tutorial time and I am back with another tutorial. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how to generate elements inside of your Canva workspace. And so I'm just going to show you how I got this gold heart frame with the snow on top. So let me just add a page. And so now I'm going to go over here to Elements tab. And so right here, it will be probably blank for you. So right here, this is the prompt that I typed in. So I typed in gold heart shaped frame with snow on top, white background. And so you want to make sure you do a white background or a solid color background so that whenever you import that image inside of Canva, it is easy for you to remove that background because Canva can easily detect the background with the remove background feature. So let's just go ahead and let's get into generating this very quickly. So once you have your prompt, you're going to click the purple arrow right here. And so once you click that, you're going to see these are images that Canva have, but what you want to do is click generate images. So now what is going to happen is Canva is going to then generate 4 different element images based off of your prompt. And so like right here, you can see these are the options that we have. So I'm just going to generate again because I didn't like any of those options. Okay, and let's just say I like this one right here. So another thing to take note of before you go to regenerate, so with this feature, unfortunately, when you click on an image, it does not save. So you would have to manually export your image out and save it to your device and upload it back into Canva. So and another thing you need to take note of, if you like multiple images, you need to go ahead and get all of the images that you like because once you hit regenerate, it is not a way where you can go back and see your past generations with this feature. So I'm going to say I like this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on background remover. And so now as you can see, it took the background off of that image. So let's just say I wanted to save this. So what you would do to save the image if you like it, you would go to share, you would go to download, you would save it as a PNG. And so in my case, I would do that current page, which is page 10. I would click done and I would just click download. But first things first, so you see how I have that black background in the back. So now if I don't make sure I click transparent background, that background that is on here, the black, it is going to save with my image. So when you're doing this, you're going to want to do share, download, choose the page you want to download, and then you're going to make sure this box is checked where it says transparent background. So once you do that, you're going to click download. And so now once you download it, you're going to have it in your device. And so that is how you would utilize Canva's feature, the elements feature inside of your workspace. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and save the video for later. And be sure to follow for more design tutorials and design inspiration.